What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. So today we're going to be looking at these LEDs fog lights. Yes, it's a little different, but like the video before, I needed to upgrade wifey's fiance headlights, so I might as well just change the fog lights. Why the fog lights is important, I guess because of the fogs, but I'm really doing it more for better visibility, I guess, and it looks better with the combination that I'm doing because these are 3000K. I forgot what the K means, but it's how they range. It goes from 3000, 4300, 6000, 8000, 10,000, 12,000K. They're different colors. I'll probably put a picture on this side right here. I might just do a picture right here, somewhere in there, how it looks. But we're gonna open these LEDs up. I bought these for, I think it was like $10, but I'm gonna leave the link down below, and so y'all could, if y'all want to get it, y'all get it. So let's open it up. All right, so they basically look like my headlights. Has the little, I don't even know what is it called, but that's where the light comes out. So it comes out like this and like this. So it will cover this half, and then this side will cover this half, and then it will just blow it out. So like I did with my video before, I'm gonna show a before and after video. And if I can't show how to install it, because wifey has a Nissan Altima and you have to take the wheels out, you got to take the inside out, and it'd be a pain in the butt. So hopefully y'all understand why I might not put a video up of me installing it, but I will definitely put a video up of before and after how it looks. All right, so my fog lights are on right now. Let me turn it off so y'all can see. Let's see if y'all see the difference. All right, that's off. This is on. And you really doesn't really do much. So you basically, we're gonna upgrade the fog light. Hopefully it'll be way better. Like, let's turn it off here and let's turn it on. So the camera looks way better than what I see. So I don't know, maybe just because I have it at an angle also, that makes a big difference. So y'all can see the difference of it. So let's see now. This is my look. This is how when I drive. Let it focus. There you go. When I drive, this is what I'm seeing. So hopefully we could get a bigger upgrade. Let me turn it off. See, turn it on. So hopefully when I do the upgrade, it will be different. So stay tuned. So I just finished putting the fog lights, man. The fog lights make a hell of a difference. Look, I'm gonna make this example. Look, they're on right now, off, on, off, on. And what it really gonna do is, like when it's foggy or when you need that extra light, I mean, it makes a difference, man. I'm telling you, it makes a hell of a difference. So I really can't complain about it. And I also updated my headlights with LEDs. So if you wanna definitely get these LEDs, and they cheap, they $10, $11, I forgot, but I'll definitely leave a link down below. It's definitely useful. I'm also leave a link to the video of the headlights LEDs if y'all really interested. I'm surprised how good it does, because it, like, most of my roads are backwoods, and it's really worth me getting these because I go up and down, and sometimes the headlights go a little bit above and I can't see in the fog light. Definitely help. I like the color of it. It's really dope. Nothing much I could say about them. You could tell, you could see the difference. Oh, it's a little foggy right now. There you go. You can see how they look. They look nice. Let me do it again. On and off. So I really like them. Gotta clean up my fog lights, the fogs. Gotta clean them up, and I know it's gonna definitely do something big. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. And I'm gonna leave a donation link down below, so y'all can leave donation if y'all like. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace. Oh, y'all can't see the peace, but peace.